Hello traders, welcome to my channel. It's your main guy, FX Major. Just like I promised you guys, I told you guys that I'll be showing you guys how to use this strategy with an indicator. Okay, how to apply indicator with this strategy and have an edge in the markets. Okay, and be winning most of your trades in the boom and crash market. So this strategy now, the indicator I'm using now is very simple indicators, just three indicators, and we have a strategy. Okay, so this indicator now will help you, especially for the scalping part. Okay, for the scalping part, to help you even catching of spikes. It tells you also that market has gotten to the overbought zone or oversold zone depending on the asset you're trading on. So I'm picking Crash 1000. I don't know why I love Crash 1000. Lately, I've been using Crash 1000 for my analysis and to make videos. So Crash 1000, I'm using Crash 1000. Then I'll use Boom as well to show you guys how to use Boom and Crash to scalp with this strategy. Okay, so this strategy is you use 30 minutes confirmation and 1 minute entry. Okay, you use this the candlestick, this is zoom level, this is zoom level. We have first zoom level here, zoom level 1, we have 2, and we have 3. You can use this 3 or you can use 2 depending. I love using 2 because I can see everything I want to do very neat. Okay, so I prefer this zoom level 2. It's awesome. All right, remember, it's for scalping. Use 30 minutes confirmation, 1 minute entry, and the zoom level 2 or 3. All right, then the screen positioning, put it to the end or even the center. It's fine, it's okay, as long as you can see what is happening. Is cool. So now the first thing you need to do is move to your 30 minutes time frame. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, because we drop almost every day some good contents, trading contents that helps everyone here on this platform to grow. Right, so please, your subscription does not give money, right? But it shows me, to me, I see it as an appreciation, that you really appreciate the knowledge I'm giving out, what I'm giving out for free, that you really appreciate. So if you subscribe, makes me happy and encourages me to do more of this, right? So smash the like button, subscribe, drop some good comments, and share this video with friends. That's the best. That's what you can really do for me right now. Okay, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. So yeah, you move to your 30 minutes time frame. Your 30 minutes time frame, for crash, since we are talking about scalping, for crash you'll be looking for buying opportunity, right? So first thing you need to do is stay on 30 minutes time frame. You can zoom out like this to see the overall market direction. You can see here, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend, right? So when you see an uptrend like this, you'll be looking for buying opportunity, right? You'll be looking for buying opportunity, whenever market pulls back. Whenever you see a pullback to a certain zone, you're looking for buying opportunity. So now let's say we had markets, see these two lines I just placed now, we 2 3 lines, black lines, this 1 2 and 3 black lines we have there. So if you check on the 1 minute time frame, once market goes up like this on the 30 minutes time frame, when market goes up like this, we wait for market to pull back. This is what I mean by pullback. As it's going up, since it's an uptrend, it will come down. That's the pullback. As it's coming down like this now, you're looking for buying opportunity around that zone. Okay, so now, because that's where the market reversed before, over time, if you look back, you see that market reversed here, this placed here, and another one right there. Okay, there's an uptrend and market has been reversing there. That's a key zone on the chart, right? Then you move down. If you move down to even 15 minutes time frame, you see that, sorry, 5 minutes time frame, you see that we had some strong bullish move right there. So on the 1 minute time frame, you're looking back to that zone where markets reversed from before, which is here. We have this arrow, right? Now you're waiting for market to touch this line. You're waiting for market to touch this line. this line on your lower time from the 1 minute time frame. And once market touches this line, you're looking at your indicator window. This your indicator window, you see the RSI around this level 15, around this level 15, at least touch or very close to level 15. Then you have the indicators, these green and red indicators crossing. You see the red indicator crossing. Once the red indicator crosses the green indicators upward, you're looking for, you're opening a position, you make an entry right there. You open a position, you make an entry right there. Market goes up from that zone. Then you can hold it up to 10 minutes or more, depending, till you take your profits and close out. Call it 10 minutes is fine. 10 minutes is okay. You close out and make your profit, right? Then the next thing, another one here, we had another level. Yeah, this one down here. Let's talk about this one down here. So this one down here, sorry. So this level down here, the ones we have the black line, this black line. So guys, we have a trade running right now. Well, Visten is running right now. I've given signal to my people. We have TP1 and 2. It's running profits. My VIP they are eating right now. We are running profits, as you can see. So on the crash 1000, yeah. So what's on the 30 minutes time frame? Remember what I told you. You want to see the pressure, the buy pressure. Since you're about to cash to scalp, you want to see the buy pressure. Like what we have, you have 1, 2, and 3 green candlestick around this level. So this means there was a buy pressure here. We had buyers here. If you check on the higher time frame, maybe the 1 hour time frame around that level, you can see we had this strong bullish candlestick around this level. Okay, this strong bullish candlestick around this level 1, 2, and 3, going off from that zone. Then you see market coming back again to that level, back again to this level. Okay, once it comes back to this level again, that means markets will want to respect this zone as your demand. That's your demand. That's your demand zone. Markets will want to respect that zone again and start buying from there, right? So once markets gets to that point, it will print, like on the 15 minutes time frame, it will print a bullish candlestick. And as it's printing the bullish candlestick, you see the indicator on the 1 minute time frame might have crossed each other. All right, so that signals your buy entry. You open a position right there and you'll be running good profits. Let's go back again and check other places. You see, like this same place too, we had this strong bullish candlestick, 1, 2, and 3, strong bullish candlestick. Then market comes down, goes up and back to this point, the same level. You can see market started losing momentum around this zone. Then if you check on the 1 minute time frame, market started going up. Once market start going up like that, you're opening a position right there and you're in profit. If you look back again, where market has been reversing, you see we have the same similar thing. We have the same thing there. This hits and you buy from there, market goes up. Then you have your confirmation on the 1 minute time frame where the red indicator crosses the green to the upside. Then you open a position, you take 10 candlesticks and you're fine. The same thing right here, the same thing here, right? So once market back to that zone again, you can see another one here, this another one. Once market comes back to that zone again, you're looking for buying opportunity. All right, we had this one too. We're looking for buying opportunity. All right, so that's how the market moves. That's just how market moves. Looking for buying opportunity. Once market comes to that point again, all right, look at this. Once market comes to that point again, you're buying. You buy from here because we had a strong move around this level. Strong move around this level. The market went up. Market coming back to this zone again. It touches this black line. You confirm on the indicator window 1 on the 1 minute time frame. You see Even if you stay on the 5 minutes time, you still see this green red indicator crossing the green indicator upward, and you open a position, you catch 10 ticks, and you're fine, you're good, jump out of the market. So that's how to trade this strategy. That's simple. So market must get back to that key zone for you to buy. Market must get back to that key zone for you to buy. All right. That's how to do it with this strategy. I'll still upload more videos to educate you guys on how to use this strategy. Okay. I don't want to be bringing in so many strategies. I want you guys to take your time, learn this strategy and master the strategy. Okay. Learn and master the strategy. Okay. So now this is my VIP. This is my VIP. You can see we are making good profits. We are making profits. We are running good profits, guys. We're making good money. So this morning we had a session with everybody, both the VIP and the free guys, where we discuss about how to make profits in on your demo accounts and also your live accounts. And, a lot of people having these challenges of making money on demo, but when coming to live account is always a challenge. All right, when it comes to live account, running the live account is always a big deal. So we we discuss about how to really go about that, how to resolve issues like that when you are you're making profits on your demo accounts, but on your real accounts you cannot make consistent profits. So we talked about it, which I gave them solutions on how to go about it. It was awesome. Then we'll be doing this every week. All right, every week we pick up a topic from the question I'll be getting from my followers. Then I'll bring it up and we deliberate on it every week. So if you want to be part of that, you want to get to why things are happening the way they are happening when you're trading, you can join the platform, join the free Telegram channel, check the description box, join the free Telegram channel, chat me up for services, mentorship, accounts management. For accounts management, I'm not doing accounts management for now due to the fact that I have so many accounts I'm managing at the moment. So I don't do accounts management now. So mentorship and VIP signals available. Okay. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll share another video on how to, which maybe on the B1000, to explain more better how to use this strategy. All right. That'll be all for now. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.